Did they just stop naming? You could have called it like Ra's Blaster or like something cool, not Pharaoh Shot. It sounds like a shotgun load. I got Birdshot, Buckshot, Slug, Pharaoh Shot.
Bruh, it sounds like an awesome... Bruh, are you kidding me? That sounds like an awesome type of shot.
Could have called like one of the Egyptian gods. You could name literally anything. Oh, I don't like that.
I don't know how that makes sense.
Runs into... You gotta do all that again?
I didn't go that far.
Oh, you don't have to start over on all the bosses.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, yeah.
If I had to do that, I would have never beat this.
He just shot himself in the head. Whipple found dead. Mega Man still on screen. So when do you actually get to use all those cool, you know...
Weapons? No.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, you could switch them mid... mid-fall, I guess. Fuck.
You right.
You right.
You're right, I should be using more. Fuck.
Dude, if you don't fuck it up. It's the Mario ring.
What?
You don't hear that?
The Sonic ring?
Ding! Whatever. Oh, right. Sonic's the ones with the rings.
Yeah,
Mario doesn't have rings. Sorry.
You're moron.
Right.
Also, Ring Boomerang's cool because it can help you collect stuff.
It can?
Yeah. Since it's a boomerang, it can carry objects back to you, which makes sense in video games for some
real
reason,
life,
but in real life that doesn't fucking happen.
The boomerang just comes back and whacks you in the fucking forehead.
Yeah. See?
In real life, I just break my fucking TV screen.
Throwing it at the fucking TV.
Trying to turn it off breaks the fucking TV.
Ugh.
I think Hank Hill just tried to escape your body. I heard, That was easy.
Well, this next part's fun.
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah!
That's what? Now it's Oh, that was fucking close. See what I mean? Oh, what bullshit.
Mega Man.
E.
A.
Sports.
It's in the game. Yeah, it's always scary as
It's
fuck
on
when
the
it speeds back up after being slow as shit.
You're just like, oh my god! It's
Pretty
like
much,
fucking
yeah.
Whiplash.
Yeah.
It's better than, you know, when the game suddenly fucking crashes right at the end.
You're right.
That's agony. When I used to play a lot of emulator games on my old computer, I used to play a lot of Mario, and I'd get to like the final fucking area, and the game would just fucking freeze. I'm like, no, it's not over. Oh my gosh, it's Thomas Edison.
What?
Back from the dead. Woo! Ooh. He's a little easy, bitch. Never mind.
Stop! Hammer time!
Kill me?
That one little health bar. Look at that fucking thing. A sliver.
I guess I'm the master of clutch.
Oh shit!
Wow, now we have the easiest by far Robot Master Toadman. Because I did them all in reverse fucking order.
Ah, the worst ability.
Actually, this one's pretty
Let me
cool.
guess, it's called lightning.
You get to stop time.
Flash. How's that even fair?
It's cool.
It's not
Also,
fair.
it doesn't work on like half the fucking bosses,
Really?
so...
It's kind of stupid to use.
Yeah, I mean, unless you're using it as an advantage in the levels, but...
Does it
See
do
if
a
we
lot
have
of
enough P-chips.
Does it do a lot of damage?
Mega Man, did you get the
Hey,
P-chips?
Select
item. No, I don't want to fucking item. Good luck, Mega Man.
Wait, what is... Again, you have 108 P-chips.